decided to follow Jesus.
No turning back, no turning back, no turning back, no turning back.